Today we'll be hanging and adjusting the leather plant hammock. Start by getting an idea of where you want your hammock to be hung, making sure not to go too close to the wall so your plant has some room to breathe. Next, we'll need to determine where the joist in the ceiling is. You can do this by using a stud finder, which will detect any wood behind the drywall. You'll be needing a drill with a small bit and a ceiling hook. I found my hook on Amazon, but you can also find them at your local hardware store. You'll also need a pair of safety glasses. Using your drill with the small bit, pre-drill a hole in your previously marked spot. Next, you'll simply twist in the hook until it's tight to the ceiling. Once your hook is installed, hang your hammock and determine the length you want your plant to hang at. Then, simply tie a knot in all 4 pieces of the rope to lock it into your desired placement. Any excess rope can be cut with a pair of scissors. I left a couple inches of overhang on each so I could fray out the ends and give it a nice lived-in look. And here's the final product.